Yo, what up, y'all? Today I'm gonna show y'all how to install some like chrome eyelids that go on top of your headlights. I'll show y'all real quick what they look like. It's for a Nissan Hardbody. Here they are right here, and basically these things, here, let me take this off. They had some plastic on them. I took the plastic off the top part. Basically, they go in there like that. They look kind of like that. It looks wild, Joe. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on there. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's really easy. It'll be really fast install, okay? Oh, shoot, okay, we good. All right, so the first step is obviously gonna be to lift your hood up like how I got it right here. You wanna go ahead and pop out all the clips that are holding in this front grille right here, okay? You basically wanna remove the front grille. Now I got some white joints holding mine in because the ones that were holding them in before dry rotted, so I replaced them with these. I'm gonna pop these out one by one. Oh, like that. And I'm gonna take the grill off. All right, so we got the front grill off. Really, I kind of popped it out, click, you know what I mean? But really what you're supposed to do to correctly take it off is because this piece right here, this chrome lip right here goes behind this light. You're really supposed to loosen this light up and kind of pull it outwards in order to take the front grill off, but it pops off just like that, you know what I mean? Getting it on though, you gotta kind of force it, or I would recommend taking one of these off and, you know, getting it done like that. All right, so I'm just gonna remove these top two screws right here. Hold on, let me take that off so I don't lose it. That thing falls down in there, I don't know where it's gonna go. Take this one off too. Boom. Careful, don't let it fall. All right, so what you guys want to do is take off the top part and the bottom bolts and basically slide this in here like this. I went ahead and did it myself, but you can see it's pretty straightforward. You just slide it into the top, make sure these are touching the sides and the top, you know, fully flat. And you're gonna go ahead and be careful when you take this whole bracket off, by the way, because this headlight is gonna be, you know, it's gonna want to fall out. Right? So push that in there. Now we're gonna take this right here and slide it right over top. All right, so I recommend pushing the top piece in first and then waiting, keeping the bottom a little bit distanced. And then, so I'm gonna tighten these up first and I'm gonna push this in and then do that one too. It's a little bit of a snug fit, but it looks nice. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, so there we go. It's on there. Yeah, it looks dope. Now these ones on the bottom, they didn't fully close. Well, I guess these aren't fully, you know what I mean, all the way. But it was a little bit of a stretch to get these on the bottom like that. You know, like I had to put the top on, then I gotta have to pull, push the light up at the same time and squeeze it on there, you know what I mean? But it's on there though. These joints is looking pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next side. All right, so take it off. And then take this off. And then push this down on top. Boom, like that. Put it back on, make sure everything lines up and screw it back in. If you're having a hard time getting these to line up or getting these bottom ones to go all the way back, I would recommend just loosen these up right here. Make sure these two are loose. And then you got a little bit more, you know, adjustment to it. And worst case scenario, if it really ain't lining up, what you're gonna have to do is kind of slide this back a little bit further. So I would, what I'll use, but be careful because you can dent this up really easy, is basically push up against this corner right here with some pliers, like the end of some pliers or something soft, and use the other end to hit it with like a little hammer or something, or a rubber mallet or something to get that, you know, a little bit further touching there, okay? And then you'll be golden, y'all. Remember I said there was a little bit of a gap right here? I went ahead and tightened them up all the way. I forgot to let those loose to get the bottom on there a little bit better. But this is the final result, y'all. Let me go ahead and throw this grill back on and I'll show y'all what it really looked like with the hood down and everything in the sun. Check it out. I need a paint job, I know, but look, the chrome ain't, chrome looking good, ain't it? Wow, yeah, them just look nice. Add a little bit of character to this ride now, you know? All right, y'all, thanks for watching this video on this quick and easy install. Hope it helped y'all, man. Peace.
Dummy.